Okay, so today's Wednesday, and we are on page 4. Yesterday, you should have done your edits on your page 2. So now we're going to take all of the sentences from page 2, and we are going to turn them into a paragraph. So remember, over here, you're going to have your title, your name, capitalized, and then make sure that it is indented, and you are going to write your sentences, make them into a paragraph. They are not separated, they are not numbered. It's a paragraph just like you normally read. And so it shouldn't have edits on it. This is what you're going to do tomorrow. You're going to do the editing. But you're just today, this shouldn't take very long. You are just going to take your 6 sentences from page 2 that have been edited. So page 2 should be super sloppy. And you're going to put them in here onto your, what we call the sloppy copy rough draft. You will then tomorrow on Thursday edit them again with your buddy, just like we did last week, just like we did in centers and our writing workshops in class. So you will be doing this checklist on your sloppy copy tomorrow. All you're doing today is taking the 6 sentences from yesterday that you edited and turning them into a paragraph. Okay, still do your best because the better you do today, the less you have to edit tomorrow. All right, excellent. You guys are going to be amazing.